guys, what's up? I spent the whole afternoon scouting for these fancy looking spoons from my 3-year-old daughter. So I better finish this quickly before she comes. Now, I'm going to ask you a very weird, illogical question that's not related to anything that you guys are doing at this point in time. Now, have you ever tried eating with a spoon and a fork? Right? We've been doing it all our lives and there's nothing fancy about it. Now, how about knife and a fork? Now, that's easy, right? We have been doing this forever, as long as we can remember. Now imagine this. How about trying to eat with a spoon, fork and knife all at the same time? Now can you imagine how it feels? I just want you to imagine for a second trying to eat a meal with a spoon, fork and a knife all at the same time. Now if you're normal, you would feel very overwhelmed and confusing. And the confusion would dawn onto you. Now that's exactly how we feel today when we have thousands of tools when it comes to digital marketing, and we get overwhelmed by all these tools. So get rid of all the unwanted tools and stick to a minimal set of tools where we would get more work done with less tools. So welcome to Tuesday Toolkit, where we would be talking about interesting digital marketing tools every Tuesday. And hope you guys like this, and please stay tuned for the full video which is going to be out tomorrow. See you guys. Until then, have fun. Now I better go run and give these spoons to my kid. See you guys soon. Cheers.